Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and have a quick review of a KUULAA cable that I purchased on AliExpress. Now, KUULAA is a brand we're not new to here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. I've covered KUULAA with chargers and cables before, but let's look at this specific cable and actually pair it up with a non-KUULAA charger. So today we're going to be looking at a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and as you can see it has the KUULAA branding on it. You can just see that on both ends because this is a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and it's a braided cable. In this case it is a 1 meter cable, so it's not the longest cable out there, but for traveling it might be useful. And according to the description to the product, this cable supports up to 100-watt charging. Now, I'm actually going to be testing this with a 65-watt charger and a phone that supports up to 65 watts. In this case, we'll be using the Honor Magic 4 Pro. And it's currently at 98% charge. It won't actually fast charge, but it will tell us what speed it will charge up to. So I'm going to plug this into my 65-watt McDodo USB Type-C charger, and then once I've done that I'm going to take the USB Type-C side and pop it into the Honor Magic 4 Pro, and we'll see that it starts charging, but in this case it's a normal charge, so it's not really giving us that 66 or 100-watt charging speed that we've seen elsewhere. Great, so whilst we know that this isn't compatible with Honor's fast charging, let's try it with another device that is also a fast charging device. So in this case we're going to pair the KUULAA cable with a Google Pixel 6 Pro. And as you can see here from the description, I'm at 33% charge here. So if it fast charges, it should show and also actually run. So plugging it in now. So it is telling us that it's charging rapidly. In this case it will be full in 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So I believe that's only charging at 15 or 18 watts, because if it were rapid charging at 30 watts, it would be full in faster period of time. Now this is very odd because I've used that same charger with a different USB Type-C cable and I get the full 30-watt charging on the Google Pixel 6 Pro, so it's safe to say the KUULAA doesn't seem to be compatible with many devices that do support fast charging. Because if we look at, for example, the cable we reviewed recently, the Essiger cable, plugged into the Honor Magic 4 Pro, it does tell us that it's going on a 66-watt charger, because that's what it is. So a bit disappointing from KUULAA here. It is a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. I'm sure it's fast charging, but in this case it's not really doing the full 30-watt charging that the Google Pixel 6 Pro is capable of. So thanks for watching this quick video about this KUULAA cable that I purchased on AliExpress. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything else we believe makes the travel experience better. I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy this cable on AliExpress, but please be aware that with a charger and a device that previously supported proper fast charging, this doesn't seem to work. It's a nice little cable, it does charge devices, but don't consider it to be as compatible with the Google Pixel 6 Pro or the Honor Magic 4 Pro for that type of fast charging. Anyway, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. And if you have any further questions, if you'd like to know more, feel free to reach out to us here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.